Hi, Greg Davis here at MarineMax in Savannah. Want to do a quick walkthrough of the 2019 Yamaha 210 FSH Sport. A great twin engine boat from Yamaha. Offers their exclusive transom. Great for boarding, jet tubing, skiing, fishing. This boat has it all. Give you a quick walkthrough. You've got dual seating in the back, live well, twin helm seat with flip-flop back. Quick shot of the console here, stereo, their fuel management system, the jet wash, no wake mode, ton of rod holders, drink holders, storage up front. Good thing about this boat is they combine the fishability of a center console with great seating in the front. Under this seat here is a cooler, anchor locker, and then looking back is great storage under the console. Really well thought out. Enough room for a porta potty or for storage. Big fish box in the floor. More rod storage on this side. Come back. You can see the seating here has a nice feature with the plug-in backrest. Live well would be behind that. Twin engine Yamaha reliability. Very nice powder coated T-top with rod holders and rocket launchers. Really neat boat. For more information, you can contact us here, MarineMax in Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thanks.